Content creating is one of my favorite things to do. I love to create content, but there is this one particular thing that always draw me back when it comes to creating content. And I've been doing this mistake for a while now. I have been scared to do the right thing. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the thing that has been withdrawing me, holding me back all this while. And I'm very sure that I'm not the only one in this situation. We are so many, a lot of us are in this table together. Whenever I try to do the right thing, I'll be like, anyways, nobody cares, until one day I care and I do the right thing. So in this video, let's find out what that is. Got a mic from DJI, so let's unbox it. Inside the box, it came like this. To open it, show you guys what we got. So inside the pack, you will see the tiny box inside, which is this. Oh, there is. What? There is another box inside and I didn't see that. So yeah, I got the DJI Mic Mini, not Mini 2, but Mic Mini. So the first model, which is this. And I also go ahead to get the lightning for iPad. Yeah, iPad 9th generation, because I always do most of my videos, like the editing, my Instagram, everything, like 95% of my editing is on my iPad, whereas 5%, which is my vlogs only, is on my laptop. So I got the lightning adapter and the mic. So let's go ahead to open the box. It's so sealed. How do we open this one? It's totally sealed and I don't have scissors here with me. How do I go about this? Let there be miracle, please. I've been in that situation whereby I'll record, talk, film, do everything, guys. I'll even still do recording if the quality is not okay. But this is the problem. The voice will be so horrible. I think it's this video. Guys ever be in that situation where you want to go out, but you don't know the right outfit to wear? Not that you don't have clothes, you have a lot of clothes. That I did that made me say, no, I'm not doing this again. Like, not this time around. So I have to close my eyes to get this. Now let's unbox it as we go. Let's see what they have inside. What this package is. Should I tell you guys the truth? I've been so scared to get this. Like, I've been so scared. But after that video and some other videos again that I have this same situation with, I decided to get this. Like, I googled a lot before getting it. So let's see what is inside. This is the empty box. We have these manuals over here, and we have the pack this way. Oh, so cute, so beautiful. You can see their logo right there. So gorgeous. Anyways, let's leave the beauty and face the reality. So this is the inside. Inside we have this fur for wind, and we have this charger and this TRX for camera, and we also have this adapter for phones. For those of you that do video with your phones, this is also a good way. Then we have the TRS, I think TRS is so small, like. Then we have the microphone, the receiver. No, not the receiver, the transmitter. This is the transmitter, and I think this is the receiver also. Oh, what am I even saying? This is the charger, not transmitter. This is the charger to charge only the microphone if you want. Then we have this one, that is the transmitter. So this is how tiny the transmitter is, and that's all inside here. That's all, nothing else. And this here they put, which I know is nothing, is a silicone to protect it. So nothing else is inside here. Then in the other box we have this lightener adapter for phone. Like I said earlier, there is not much in this, so no need to scatter it. It's just like this one here, like the phone one here. So I'm going to bring them out one by one to show you guys. This is the one of the phone. This is the one of the phone. So it's the same thing as this one, but the difference is the thing up here. And over here we have the receiver, which is this tiny thing here. The receiver where you plug for your camera, for the camera, this one. And over here we have the charger and the TRS for the camera. To connect it to the camera you need this one, and this one is for the charger. And of course guys, we have this. This is so beautiful. We have the black one and the cat type. So beautiful though. And we have this one, the charger, to charge only the transmitter. Okay, here we have the magnet. You can see the magnet right there. It's so difficult to bring out. And we have the microphone. It's so tiny. It's so tiny. So tiny. How am I going to hold this? How? Like how guys? So guys, these are all the things that comes with this microphone. So now it's time to do the testing, and we're gonna see the difference, how it is. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Adachini, and this is me talking with my DJI Mic Mini. So let me know how it sounds. Let me know if it's worth it. Let me know what you guys think. And at the same time, I'm still figuring it out how to connect it to do other settings. So at the meantime, this is the original sound that you guys are hearing, but no configuration yet. Nothing is done yet. And guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and as well subscribing the subscribe button. And of course, I'll see you all in my next video. So if you care to see more of my content with this DJI Mic Mini, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And of course, from now on, a lot, like all my content is going to be this DJI mic. So subscribe and stay tuned because more is coming.